We are here at the Glenfarg tunnels. Oh, wait. Ooh. I've been here before. Harmony hasn't. We're gonna find an abandoned farm as well, which I haven't done before.
Slightly terrified.
So am I, and I've done them before. Like, these tunnels are dark. I'm not ready for this. Oh, we have our torches, your pocket knife, and
torches somewhere in here.
Yes, we're prepared to descend into darkness. We're coming! Whoever's in there! Ha ha ha! Do you think I scared them off?
I hope so.
Wow, you can't really see anything. It's that dark. Wait. Oh, I can see you. Oh, you're so blurry. Oh, wait. You're focusing. Yes, you're focused. Yeah, we've just started. Like, there's the entrance there. Yeah. We've got all this to do, and it's so dark.
If we had coloured lights, it would make an epic rave.
Yeah, it would. We should do that.
Just
Jokes.
Tunnel rave.
I'm trying to see if there's anything else in all. Just wee. Oh, you look creepy. Like, you can like just see the light of that tunnel, into that tunnel.
Wow. Yeah. This is fun.
See, we're almost out of this one. Yeah. But then we've got the northern tunnel to do, and then the abandoned farm to do. To the other tunnel.
I'm terrified.
Yeah, we just walked on this farm road, and now we've made it to the other tunnel. This is known as the northern tunnel. We just did the southern tunnel. Northern.
I'm very scared.
Yeah, this one's darker because this one has a curve, so you're kind of out of sight for a few minutes. Okay, you ready to brave this tunnel?
No, but I'm gonna do it anyway.
Let's go.
DJ was here.
Really? He was here? Interesting. Oh, I'm like blinding you in the...
Hi!
Yes, so there was a guy called DJ here, or a girl. I don't know, they're kind of unisex names. Shout out to DJ, everyone!
Woo!
Woo!
+3.
Oh, not bad at all. just made a disturbing discovery. There are crows hanging upside down on a wire. Huh. There's another one over there.
And another one further in the distance.
Yeah, I can't zoom in because it keeps going blurry. Oh, but I can zoom in on this one, and you can see it's a crow. Oh, it's all blurry. Oh. It's a dead crow. Well, why is there crows hanging with string attached to their tails in a field?
Maybe it's like a crow trap, and they've been trapped but just left there.
Maybe. That's just really horrifying. Looking out for the creepy farm, do da, do da. Looking out for the creepy farm, do da dee dee. Woo! We're trying to get through like a forest of nettles here. Teamwork.
Okay, step on this that I'm stepping on.
Okay.
So you don't trip on it.
So dodgy. I'm starting to think this was worse than the power station we went to.
Okay, and again step.
Oh!
You okay?
Yeah. Yeah, we had to make it. Oh dear.
So there was an easier way.
We just realised there was a path there.
Like a full-on road, practically. Jeez.
That's what we started going down, and then we went into the first building over there, and then we just...
It's an adventure, hey?
Yeah, we could have avoided this. Oh, that's just amazing.
Fun!
Whoa! Now this is why we explore, people. This is why we explore.
This is like the old workbench.
We found a workbench. Oh my. video. Okay, I need to send me try to take a photo and then I ended up videoing it. Well, since I'm videoing, we're in this very dodgy belt. Very dodgy. We had to go down there for the haul. Yeah, we're not risking our life at all.
No, not at all. Just like possible broken ankles and such.
Yeah.
Fun stuff like that.
Fun! Action.
I broke a branch. Try to get out.
We're mildly trapped at the moment.
I'll throw my back and then crawl through. This is the most workout I've ever. Oh, got it.
Okay.
Yeah.